The Windows security may sometimes throw up all kinds of strange errors when you try to launch it. Now, if you also happen to not open the Windows security, here are some methods on how you can fix it. To start, repair and reset the Windows security application. Do it by going to Apps and Features, locate the Windows security application, click on More Options, select the Advanced options, then click the Repair option. Now, if the issue persists, you can hit the Reset button. You can also run the System File Checker and Deployment Imaging Servicing Management tools. Do it by launching the command prompt with admin rights. Type in the following commands one by one, then hit Enter after each command, restart your computer, and check if the issue is gone. Last fix on the list: force stop all unnecessary background applications. Just go to the Task Manager, select Processes, and then choose all applications you're not using, then choose End Task. And those are the simple ways on what you can do if the Windows security is not opening on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.